Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock diving in Gothic 1 Remake. Diving is a skill that increases your underwater oxygen. Having more oxygen is essential since there are several underwater caves scattered throughout the world that are difficult to explore with limited breath. To unlock the diving skill, first you need to be in the new camp. Starting from the entrance, follow my path until you reach the bridge just before the main camp cave. Standing on the bridge is an NPC named Homer. Talk to Homer and he'll offer to teach you the diving skill. Once learned, this skill increases your underwater breathing time, allowing you to stay underwater much longer. And that's how to unlock diving in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.